Good morning. Today is Wednesday, January the 18th, 2017, about 7:25 in the morning. It's 56 degrees. It's going to get close to 80 today. It's a beautiful morning, no fog today. Larry's going to Hardee's. He's taking his ham and egg biscuit with him. I got yesterday's video uploading. I'm having pizza for my breakfast. And Larry built a fire in the stove this morning before I got up, so it's nice and warm in here. I'll probably let it go out after a while. I filled our pill boxes this morning, and Larry took his little Wednesday pills with him. That's nice that they snap in and out of there. Larry got his peas planted, made little holes and dropped them all down in it. He's got this row, that row over there he's got planted, and he's got it covered already. That's a pretty design. I guess they're not going to climb up the fence after all.
Huh?
I said, I guess they're not going to climb up the fence after all.
No, I have to put something. There's so much grass up against there.
Yeah.
I never get it all out. I haven't been taking care of the garden since we've been in North Carolina. I don't want to pack it too hard, but enough to where it won't wash out.
Trying to get this big old piece of pine tree that fell on our fence off of it.
And the greenhouse, yeah.
And on the greenhouse.
I got to get that bark out of the way now. Ain't sliding on that bark very well.
Yeah.
Okay.
There it goes. Now what?
Now,
That one's not cut all the way through.
I thought I had it cut all the way through, but I guess not.
You got to cut it from this side.
Okay. I might need a crowbar.
This one over here is still not cut all the way through.
It ain't?
Nope. Looks like there's an inch or two left.
It's true now.
Yeah. Looks like it's in a bind.
I need to get a crowbar. I'll be right back.
You want me to help you?
Well, I got to get the crowbar first.
Okay. Okay.
Can't. I don't think you can lift it. It's too heavy. Hold it. Can't lift it. It's too heavy. You might be able to pry up on that now. Behind that. Hold on.
Come on. I'm not helping. Want me to get that in and pull it around?
It's almost there. Let me come on over there.
Don't step on the fence.
Well, now it's all right. It's off of it. Who's that? I think you get it now. Watch your foot. Now the supposed to throw it up.
Just tip it back the other way.
Yeah. You ready?
Okay.
Whoa, all right.
That didn't hit you, did it?
Nope, it's close though.
Yeah, that was scary.
Should have put that down.
I was down.
Okay.
Okay.
Just a minute.
There we go. Okay.
In the spring, it'd be a good place for snakes. Now,
We can put this one on the fence and keep it going?
I think so. Wait a minute. Try it. Don't pick up, just kind of let it roll. Watch yourself now.
And roll it that way.
Just a little bit. Kind of push it up now.
There you go.
That's all right. Okay.
There they are. They're off the fence.
Move your gloves, I'll just cut one more piece. You gotta see where that plastic is. Pipe. Okay, I'm just gonna cut one more piece for now.
Okay. Why don't you cut about half that distance to be easier? You know, like right here in the middle. Didn't want that sawdust hitting my camera lens. Oh. There's one, there's the other.
Okay, that's enough for today.
That's enough for today?
Now, I sharpened the chainsaw, it looks like.
Oh, good.
Of course, it's rotten, so you really can't tell much yet.
Whoa, that's a big lamb. Jasmine blossom.
There's a jasmine bloom, man. See it?
Yeah, I see it. I see. Just one blossom.
One little bloom, huh?
Mm-hmm. I got the post straightened up again, and we pulled the fence up off the ground some.
I'll take a hacksaw and cut it.
So we'll have to cut that pipe and replace it.
Oh, at least we got something done.
Yeah, I'll get a new top for the pipe, for the post. We'll be in good shape. Mission accomplished. My work doesn't take as much muscle as Larry's. All I had to do was refill that bobbin with thread, but I had to wind it by hand because my bobbin winder doesn't work anymore, so I have to do it all by hand. So I'm going to do a little bit of mending here. Here's lunch. We got turkey and gravy on toast, a salad, and peas. I got my first pair of Larry's jeans shortened. First I was going to do something of his, mend it, and then mine, and then his, and then mine. Then I realized if I do that, I got to change the thread on the sewing machine every time. So I'm just going to do all his jeans first because I've got the orange colored thread on there and I won't have to keep changing it. So this first pair is done. He's got a pair of Levi's. I think these are Wrangler. Yeah, these were Wrangler. Next one's got a pair of Levi's, but came pretty straight. I think I did all right. Once I get all that done, I got a pair of pillowcases here that I embroidered. They're green a while back, last year, and I got to put lace edge on it. Yeah, it's 5:30 and I came out here on the deck to see what the sunset's going to do. I'm just going to sit here in the swing and look at a magazine while I wait for it to do something, if it does. What I did was just set the camera up and let it run. And so this is the sunset sped up 20 times. There wasn't a whole lot of color tonight, but I think this was probably over 20 to 30 minutes. And that's how it's going. So I'll just go ahead and say good night. God bless. You can see the clouds moving just a little bit.